Coming up this week on Talk with Audrey, Dr. Ilan Shapiro joins me with information about the importance of a balanced diet and how we could help jumpstart our mornings with real milk. Then chef and entertaining expert James Briscione has some of the ways that he incorporates frozen foods into his own recipes to create upscale dining experiences. Also joining me, Jennifer Jasinski, top Chef Masters Finalist, joins me live from the National Cattlemen's Beef Association Culinary Center in Denver, Colorado, with ways to incorporate some of the latest tech gadgets in the kitchen. And even though we are more open to discussing mental health compared to years ago, there continues to be misperceptions and stigma that may prevent people from fostering an open dialogue and seeking help. So I'm replaying an interview I had with Dr. Mordecai, Kaiser Permanente's national leader for mental health and wellness, about their mental health awareness effort called Find Your Words. It's all coming up this week on Talk with Audrey. Insightful, intelligent, and inspiring conversations and information to help you improve the quality of your life. I'll be right back. Hi there, I'm Audrey Adams. Do you want to live a better, healthier, and more financially secure life? If so, then Talk with Audrey is for you. I talk to experts from a variety of fields. We'll talk about your financial life. We also delve into health and aging, and of course, business. You can get the benefit of all these interviews and so much more. Just watch Talk with Audrey right here. And if you need more information, either about me or the show, visit my website, talkwithaudrey.com. Tell your friends, your neighbors, your coworkers, everyone you know to join you in this pursuit of a better life. Watch Talk with Audrey.